Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency, where we make learning Japanese fun and easy. I'm Reg, and in today's lesson, we're diving into JLPT in 5 Grammar Explanation, Lesson 13. Hajimemashou. Ichiban. Noun ga hushii desu. This sentence pattern is used to express the speaker's desire to possess or have an object. It can also be used to ask what the listener wants. The object is marked with the particle ga. Hushi is an adjective. Adjective. For examples, Watashi wa tomodachi ga hushii desu. I want a friend. Ema nani ga ichiban hushii desu ka? What do you want most now? Kuruma ga hushii desu. I want a car most. Kodomo ga hushii desu ka? Do you want a child? Iie, hushiku nai desu. No, I don't. 2番 Verb must form tai desu. Verb must form. The form of a verb when it is used with must is called the must form. In the word kaimasu, kai is the must form. Verb must form tai desu. This expresses the speaker's desire to do something. It is also used to ask what the listener wants to do. In this expression, as seen in example, the particle ga can replace the particle wo. The other particles cannot be replaced by ga. The must form tai inflects as an adjective. For example, Watashi wa Okinawa ni ikitai desu. I want to go to Okinawa. Watashi wa tempura o tabitai desu. I want to eat tempura. Kobe de nani o kaitai desu ka? What do you want to buy in Kobe? Kutsu o kaitai desu. I want to buy a pair of shoes. Onaka ga itai desu kara nani mo tabitaku nai desu. Because I have a stomach ache, I don't want to eat anything. Notes: hushi desu and tai desu cannot be used to describe the third person's desire. You can neither use hushi desu ka nor verb must form tai desu ka. When you offer something or invite someone to do something, for example, when you offer a cup of coffee or invite the listener to have a cup of coffee, you should not say, "Kohi ga hoshii desu ka?" Nor should you say, "Kohi o nomitai desu ka?" Expressions such as, "Kohi wa ikaga desu ka?" or "Kohi o nomimasen ka?" should be used. 3番 Noun place verb must form noun ni ikimasu, kimasu, kairimasu. The purpose for ikimasu, kimasu, or kairimasu is expressed using this pattern. The purpose is marked with the particle ni. A noun used before ni is of the kind denoting an action. For example, Kobe Indo yori o tabi ni ikimasu. I'm going to Kobe to eat Indian food. Kobe kaimono ni ikimasu. I'm going to Kobe for shopping. Nihon e bijutsu no benkyou ni ikimashita. I came to Japan in order to study art. Note, you can also use nouns denoting events such as festivals and concerts before ni. In this case, the speaker's purpose is to see or enjoy the event. For example, Ashita Kyoto no omatsuri ni ikimasu. I'll go to the festival in Kyoto tomorrow. Yobang, noun ni, verb, noun o, verb. The particle ni marks the goal when used with verbs like kairimasu, norimasu, get on, see lesson 16, etc. The particle o marks the starting point or place when used with verbs like demasu, orimasu, get off, see lesson 16, etc. For examples, ano kisate ni hairemasho? Let's go in that coffee shop. Shichiji ni uchiyo dimasu. I leave my house at 7 o'clock. Go bang? Doko ka nanika? Doko ka means anywhere or somewhere. Nanika means anything or something. The particles e and o can be omitted. For examples, Fuyo yasumi wa doko ka ikimashita ka? Did you go anywhere in the winter vacation? Hai, kimashita. Yes, I did. Nodo ga kawakimashita kara nani ka namitai desu. I'm thirsty. I want to drink something. Rokubang. Go and o. Go and o are prefixes added to some words to express respect. For example, Go chumon wa? May I have your order? And that wraps up today's lesson on JLPT in 5 grammar. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you feel more confident in your Japanese studies. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to review these points and try using them in your conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Mata ne!